how mid-sized LSPs can turn AI disruption into opportunity. Welcome to localization news you can use. The localization industry is facing an unprecedented wave of transformation as artificial intelligence and automation reshape how content moves across languages. Mid-sized providers that once focused on human-only workflows are discovering that disruption isn't always a threat. It can actually be a launchpad for innovation. When those familiar, per-word assignments start to dry up, it's a chance to pause, rethink, and rewire how things get done. Let the automated tools take care of the repetitive stuff, file prep, first drafts, and let your people shine where it matters most: creative adaptation, cultural nuance, and strategic thinking. The teams that are thriving right now see themselves as part of something bigger. It's not just about translation anymore. It's about being connected to a full content ecosystem. Clients bring in real-time feedback and outline strategic goals. Engineering and operations handle the tech and the data flow. And translators? They're the heartbeat. They're the ones who bring the voice, the emotion, the cultural flair that no machine can truly mimic. This shift is also challenging old habits, like the per-word pricing model. It just doesn't make sense anymore. You might spend an hour reviewing thousands of words just to tweak a handful. And that's not about quantity, that's about impact. That's why more providers are leaning into pricing models that focus on outcomes and value. Think subscription services, flexible project fees, or contracts based on real results, things like brand consistency, compliance, or user engagement. Even as machine translation and AI interpretation tools get sharper, there are moments that absolutely need a human touch. An automated interpreter might get the words right, but only a person can read the energy in a room, catch the unsaid, and shift tone in real time. And while AI can mimic tone and syntax, it can't tap into cultural instincts or emotional layers the way a real linguist can. That's what turns a technically correct sentence into something genuinely compelling. For mid-sized service providers who want to do more than just survive, there are three big moves to focus on. First, invest in people. Train your language pros on new tools, bring them into strategic discussions, and reward creative problem solving. Second, build a culture of continuous learning. Keep an eye on market shifts, test new tech, share what you're learning, and stay active in industry conversations. And third, rethink what you're offering. Move beyond just translated words and start positioning your services as full solutions. Things like multilingual UX audits, market entry consulting, or cultural strategy workshops. Help clients see that they're not just buying output, they're investing in outcomes. When people and machines work together, not in competition, but in collaboration, mid-sized providers can use this AI moment to deliver deeper value, build stronger client relationships, and help shape a smarter, best now, more resilient industry. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.